I am speaking with
Aaron Bedra.
Aaron. Who you with? Hold it. Wait, I can tell. GroupOn. Hey, so what do you do at GroupOn?
I work on the real-time deals platform. It's called GroupOn Now. Kind of working on more instant deals. Kind of looking to put GroupOn into your daily deal or daily decision process.
All right, but that's not what I want to talk with you about. I want to talk about your presentation about unleashing your inner hacker. And really, you just said, hey, you can kind of make it a game because most developers or a lot of developers aren't sort of getting security built into their web apps. Explain.
Yeah, I mean, so as developers, we tend to focus on the things that are close to us: our languages, our tools, our frameworks, and we tend to forget about security, or maybe not even learn it. So it's becoming one of those issues where we're making vulnerable sites really without even knowing. And so I wanted to kind of teach people that it's accessible. Learning about security is within our reach. It's not about stack smashing and buffer overflow anymore. It's about using our web browsers to poke at websites. It's become a lot closer to us, and as developers, we're using the same tools to exploit as we use to just write our sites. So now that it's so close to what we're doing day to day, I wanted to explain some resources that were available and try to give people the tools they need to kind of just get that basic level of awareness.
And so one of the tools that you were mentioning was WebGoat. Explain what WebGoat is.
Yes, WebGoat is a tool by the OWASP project. It's a great resource for learning all about security around web applications, but it's a vulnerable site. You download it, you run it, and there's exercises built in that teach you the different fundamentals of testing a website to find vulnerabilities.
And I mean, you were arguing you can learn a lot of this stuff in just a weekend, right?
Yeah, you could actually go through the entire WebGoat project in just a weekend and arm yourself with all kinds of new knowledge.
And then what you did, now I'm not a developer myself, so you're going to have to walk me through this. You essentially opened up a site yourself and invited the audience to hack it, and we saw the hacking happening in real time. Explain
Yes.
what was going on.
So what I did was I made a very simple, small web application, kind of like a Twitter thing without authentication. One little form input, and the result was everybody was able to live hack it. And we kind of watched what people did, and we were watching the results and watch people put cross-site scripting and injection attacks and deface the page and redirect somewhere else, and it was lots of fun. Everybody was engaged. It was great. You could hack from your phone, from your iPad, from your computer, whatever. It really was that easy to get in, and so we had a lot of fun with it. It was engaging.
Now, I have a fear. Are all sites that easily hackable?
Not all, but quite a few. Be surprised at how easy it really is at this point, especially around web applications to find.
Yeah, because that happened literally seconds, that hacking was going on.
Yeah, and I mean, sometimes they're not quite that easy, but a lot of times they are. Cross-site scripting is a big problem, and that was really the attack that we focused on here was cross-site scripting. It really is that easy once it's exposed. So.
Excellent. And so your suggestion for others, I mean, is just to set up little applications and sort of challenge each other?
Absolutely. Make it a game. Do some capture the flag. Try to encourage your coworkers to learn this stuff by having fun with it. You know, sit after hours, have a beer or two, enjoy each other's company, and then play these games. Right? It's fun to learn these tools and techniques. It's engaging, and everybody learns something in the end.
Excellent. Thanks so much for your time.
Thank you very much.